Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing analysis of past exam questions and expected questions for CA Inter, Corporate and Other Law paper for your Jan 21 exams. Now, what are we going to mainly see here? We are going to see chapter by chapter for every chapter. What are the expected questions for Jan 21 exams? Now, if you look at the pattern for the last few attempts, what we have done for every chapter, we have analyzed which subtopic. For example, if you take prospectus chapter, in May 18, they have tested underwriting commission topic. In November 18, they have tested shelf prospectus and GDR concept. So topic by topic and subtopic, we have analyzed for the past 4 to 5 attempts, and we have noticed that in most of the chapters, a topic which has already been tested is never repeated unless there are some exceptions. Now, if you take prospectus chapter, if you can see the past trend, from May 18 till November 20, hardly any concept has been repeated except underwriting commission, which has been tested twice. That's all. Similarly, for every other chapter, if you do this kind of analysis, you will understand that topics have been hardly repeated. Most of the concepts have been new concepts that have not been tested, which have been tested in the subsequent attempts. So now what we have done is, for November 20, we have categorized this into two. November 20, the main attempt for November 20. That is what entire India wrote. In Chennai and few areas near Chennai, because of cyclone affected areas, there was a separate question paper. November 20, they had two question papers. So we had two question papers for November 20 exam. However, if you check the ICA website, you will only get this question paper. So I have done this analysis considering the main question paper as base. This cyclone affected area question paper is also mentioned over here, but I have not considered that for my analysis for picking up questions for your main exam. For example, let me give you a small example. Incorporation chapter, in the previous video where I had predicted questions for November 20 exam, I had mentioned that section 10A amendment will definitely be tested in this November 20 exam. If you come over here, if you come to incorporation chapter, previously the same points were mentioned, but now I have highlighted them in red because section 10A has been tested and even small company has been tested. But if you look at this, it has not been tested in the main attempt. It has only been tested in the cyclone affected areas in the secondary question paper. The one more question paper which some students wrote. In that question paper, we had section 10A and small company, and hence I have still included this in my expected questions but marked them in red because it has been tested in the second question paper. But however, if you take Negotiable Instruments Act, for example, foreign instrument versus inland instrument is one concept which I expected to be tested in this particular attempt, and accommodation bill, I expected them. So if you come to my summary, in the previous list, I would have had for negotiable instrument, I would have included in my list accommodation bill and foreign versus inland instrument. But this time, if you see, I have removed the point foreign versus inland instrument because it has already been tested. And accommodation bill, I have mentioned it here in red because less chances, but it's already been tested. Instead of removing it, I marked it as red. So like this, for every chapter, I have done the analysis. What are the expected questions for your Jan 21 exams? So PDF of this is also there in the description for this video. You can use that for your preparation. For example, management and administration, quorum concept was tested in the latest attempt. So I have not included quorum in expected questions from this chapter for your upcoming attempt. That is how this analysis has been prepared. So let us not see in detail for every chapter. I am only showing you for few chapters which will help you understand how to read this for your exam. Also, agency chapter is important for the upcoming attempt because if you see in every attempt, at least two questions or one question has been tested. But this time in both the question papers, there's only been one question for 4 marks. So Jan 21, you can expect more questions from agency chapter. So that is how this analysis has been done. Hoping the same has been useful. If you want similar analysis for accounts and advanced accounts paper also, the same is given in the description for this video. Thank you guys.